Yes, the people, see me. My fanatics, my folks, my audience, big up on yourself every time you see me. In the England, yeah, you see it. So, out here in the nature. Don't know if you can see out of the back there. Yeah. Yeah, man, my people, big up my audience, my fanatics, my folks. Take a walk in the bush and the jungle sometime, you see me. Yeah, man. Good view, you see me, summertime. Now, I lost sweat and them thing there. Bless up on yourself, my fanatics, my people, my folks, you see me, life pod. Just a walk. Yeah. And a beer squaddy thing I go on down there. Squaddy pan squaddy. Yeah, police shooting, police and then something there. And all. Man will fly down from foreign way. Want Jamaica look good. End up victim. Sorry to the father and thing. After victim. You know. Man just driving his car, you know. And people come crashing to him, you know what I mean? See our lifestyle. That's why we just have to go and listen to two bird and thing people. Yeah. After. Yeah. Just living it up. Walking through park. Yeah, man. Yeah, the bird them sound good. So yeah, them wanna think. You understand what I mean? Do you think all of the force is corrupted and stuff? So let me know. Yeah. You can hear the birds and stuff. It's really nice. Yeah. People walking, enjoying their walks. I've made my 10,000 steps today. I gotta make sure that I do my 10,000 steps every day, people. Keep my heart going, you know? Keep my chest ticking. Yes, my people, you know what I mean? So tell me what you think, man, about police them shoot out to go on. And does the constabulary need reinforcing and rejuvenation? And should the commissioner be fired from his job? Should come up into the debate. My people, my fanatics, my folks. Listen me, see the place so pretty and I heard to walk same way. You know what I mean? I might be abroad, but I heard to walk same way. It's no different, the grass on the ground here. Find anywhere else in the world. You understand? So big up to all of my hard-working people and hustlers, them and everything. And we want better police. You understand? Especially in Jamaica there. We want better police, man. You understand? We want better police. I think I come to the end of my walk, people, so I turn back. You understand? So I can get the 10,000 steps in there to keep my heart going, you know? My father passed away sometime, he had high cholesterol level, so if you have high cholesterol level, you have to try and do a lot of walking or swimming. Them things are good. I subscribe on my fanatics and my fans. So tell me what you think, man. Should you know, we believe what the corporal said, that he never know nothing, and when he wake up, I'm gonna shoot, man. But the dad say he see what happened, so he can't understand what they're talking about, his blunt trauma and this and that. When it's obviously gunshot injuries to the upper body and to the head or something like that, you know. So yes, my people, tell me one thing still, for real. One thing that we have to actually think about. Yeah. So I just want my people, you know, leaving a like, share and a comments, hitting a reel out with a good beverage, you know. And yeah, I come up strong with some reviews and few little things for one of my people, my fanatics, my audience, my folks, you know what I mean. Just get ready for the good beverage, cause the only thing why I say me now upload way more is that I use so much memory all the time, you know. Yeah, that's all it is. Because I do artwork, I do fashion, I do other things, you know what I mean. Plus I work, you know what I mean, a 6 to 12 to 1 job part time while I'm trying to do my artwork, my vlogging, you know, just try to do everything else still and try to keep everything up. I running my people. Fantasy well FW already hitting on the real with a good beverage. We walk through England, UK, you understand? Going on a little walk, I'm gonna see what really good. Yeah, up and ground, you know? Sky blue and thing, and bless up. Over and out. Tell me what you think, you understand? does the commissioner need to get fired? Because how could police was suspended, according to the news, if me not get it wrong, correct me, that they have ways out to have service car and access to weapons. So I never really get to do a vlog about it when we did want to do it still, cause you know, yeah, that's really had to hear what go on first fully before I put my piece in, you know. But yeah, condolences to the father, man, and he's strong and heart goes out, you know what I mean, cause I'm a father now, you know. Yeah, man. And my father dead before me, you know what I mean, you know. That's a good thing when man's son are dead before them. And the next man's son injured badly, wound up, his woman. Oh my lord, you don't know the people in the name. I just mention the name, I don't know how something go already with the squad, they might shoot up on it and all then something up on the news. So, big up on yourself, my people, over and out and end vlog.